Hello, interweb land. Outside right now. Had a bit of work in the basement today and in the yard also. Cut some grass and did some trimming on the horrible hedges. Got that done. Did some work on the cars today. Got a brake light fixed on the wife's car. There's the lawnmower. And take you inside here. Did some work on the engine on the workbench today. And from outside there, coming through the door you saw on my intro video on my YouTube page. See here, turn on the light. Did some work on the engine today. It does run. It's not perfect, but you know, it does run. Does turn, and the belt walks off of it also, which is kind of annoying. One of its issues. That'll be worked on in a bit. The whole house smells like bolognese because I've been cooking. And there's my boat. Need to get the little engine off the bench here pretty soon, and yeah, there's that issue also. It has issues. You're going to find with these vintage models that when you find them that sometimes they're missing parts. Just so you know, the springs in here, if it'll focus on them, the springs in here were missing. They're actually from an old ink pen. This front piece here was missing. This was made from a Grand Wing servo components piece. It's just a piece of polystyrene. Need to get it off the bench because I've got some fan home stuff over there. There's an R2-D2 and the kit replica. There's R2-D2 there. But for now, I'm going to go upstairs, stir the bolognese, and get started with some pasta. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Oh, there's my cricket.